Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change font size in PowerPoint organization chart. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to change the font size of organization chart. Firstly, click the new slide option, choose blank. Then we go to the insert menu and select the chart option. Then we can see here many chart. Now I am inside the organization chart. You can add the histogram or any chart. Now I am select the histogram and make the petro, then click OK. Now you want to change the size of this chart. Open the Excel view and select the size. You can increase the size using this option. Select the text and make the size big. Now we can see we change the size of text in chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.